One simple vitamin could protect your eggs, strengthen sperm, and improve implantation, and even reduce miscarriage risk. Hi, I am Dr. Swachla, Scientific Director with Ziva Fertility Centers, and today we are going to talk about vitamin C, the powerful antioxidant that quietly supports fertility in both men and women. And if you are planning pregnancy, don't miss this at all. So, why is vitamin C critical for fertility? Vitamin C is best known for immunity, but in fertility, it plays a much bigger role. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant, meaning it protects eggs and sperm from oxidative stress. This is one of the leading causes of poor egg quality, sperm DNA damage, and failed implantation. So, let's start with women. What vitamin C helps with in women? It improves egg quality, supports follicle development, maintains healthy cervical mucus, strengthens the uterine lining, reduces inflammation, supports progesterone production. That's quite a lot, isn't it? Low vitamin C is linked to poor ovulation, thin endometrium, increased miscarriage risk, slower recovery after embryo transfer. In men also it plays a very important role. Vitamin C improves sperm count, sperm motility, sperm morphology, DNA integrities, and studies show vitamin C reduces sperm clumping, it is called as agglutination, and protects against DNA fragmentation, making fertilization more likely. There may be signs that your body is giving that you have vitamin C deficiency. Vitamin C deficiency is more common than people realize, especially with stress and processed diets. What are the warning signs? Frequent infections, fatigue, slow wound healing, bleeding gums, dry skin, hair fall, all these are signs that you have low levels of vitamin C. In fertility clinics, we see poor egg quality, low sperm motility, recurrent implantation failure. And remember, oxidative damage happens very silently. You won't even know that this is happening inside your body. So there are some natural sources of vitamin C that I'd like to talk about, because you should let food be your first medicine. So the top sources of vitamin C are citrus fruits, oranges, lemons, kiwis, strawberries, pineapple, papaya, tomatoes, bell peppers, broccoli, guava. All these are one of the richest sources of vitamin C. Vitamin C is heat sensitive. Eat fruits fresh and lightly cook vegetables. Don't overcook them. Combines vitamin C food with iron rich meals. It improves iron absorption also. What about supplements, and how much should you take? If diet isn't enough or fertility treatment is ongoing, supplements can help in certain cases. Typically, fertility doses include 500 to 1000 milligrams daily. Men with poor sperm parameters may benefit from higher antioxidant combinations also. Vitamin C works best with vitamin E, zinc, selenium included in your supplementation. Avoid megadoses. Excess can cause stomach upset or kidney stress in susceptible people. Remember, vitamin C protects eggs, vitamin C energizes sperms, vitamin C supports implantation, and if you're trying to conceive, don't underestimate this simple vitamin. Sometimes the biggest fertility breakthroughs come from very small nutrients. Thank you.